In this question, we are given that a group which consisted of several families, they visited a amusement park, and the regular admission fees was 1,500 yen for an adult. So the entrance fees for an adult was 5,500, and for a child is 4,800. And we are given that there were at least 10 people in the group. So suppose we denote the number of adults by A and the number of children by C. So A plus C will be greater than equal to 10. Now we are given that each paid an admission fee that was 10% less than the regular fee. So this was reduced by 10%, and the entrance fee for the child was also reduced by 10%. So this is all the information we have. Now the question asks how many children were there in the group. We have to find the value of C. We now move on to step 2. In step 2, we analyze the statement 1 first. In statement 1, we have that the total of the admission fees paid for the adult group was 29,700 yen. Now using this, we can write if the entrance fee for each adult was discounted by 10%, then the entrance fee would be 0.9 multiplied by 5,500 yen. So this is the new entrance fee. And if the number of adults were A, then we have 0.9 multiplied by 5500 into A should be equal to 29700. Now do not solve this equation, as we are not told to find the value of A. We have to find the value of C. So we can easily say that statement 1 is insufficient. And from the given options, we can eliminate options A and D. We now check the sufficiency of statement 2. In statement 2, we are given that the total admission fee paid for the children in the group was 4,860 yen, more than the total of the admission fee paid for the adults in the group. Now, the total admission fee paid for the children in the group can be written as 0.9 times 4800. This is the amount we get after 10% discount. And since the number of children was C, so 0.9 multiplied by 4800 will be also multiplied by C. Now this was 4,860 more than the total of the admission fee paid for the adults in the group, which will be equal to 0.9 times 5500 multiplied by A. Now this is a linear equation with two unknown variables, where we do not know the value of any of the two variables. So it is not possible to solve this equation, and hence we can say that statement 2 is insufficient. We now move on in step 3. In step 3, we combine the two statements. From statement 1, we have got the information that 0.9 into 5,500 multiplied by A is equal to 29700. And from statement 2, we have 0.9 times 4800 multiplied by C. This is equal to 4860 plus 0.9 times 5500 A. Now, we can find the value of A from statement 1 and then substitute it in the equation we deduced from statement 2, which will give us the value of C. So we can say that statement 1 and statement 2 combined are sufficient. Hence the correct answer is option C.